Okay, let's talk about some of the other tools over here. So right here we have the paintbrush tool. So kind of draw a little more organic. So make a wiggly line with that, and it kind of cleans it up. And there's some different settings you can get into to determine how smooth those arches are. But for now, let's just meet the tool, say hi. It's pretty cool. And with this brush, the thickness, we'll use these brackets, the little square brackets on the keyboard. If I hit the left one, it goes really small. If I hit the right one, it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. It's kind of fun. Now let's go right over here, make it 2 rows, and let's go to the eraser tool. Now you don't want to use the eraser tool on a shape because it makes it do weird stuff like that. But if you use it on the brush tool, kind of breaking it up into little pieces of broken spaghetti. Okay, so I'm going to get my selection tool. I'm going to select everything and delete. Now, what I would like you guys to do, just kind of a first playing exercise. Let's set our let's give our fill. Try a color for the fill. We're going to click on the outline, the stroke, and let's make it. When you see a white square with a red line through it, that means nothing. So we're just going to make shapes with no outline. And let's go to the shaper tool here and just make some cool silhouettes. So let's see, what if we do a, let me go to a circle and make another circle like that. And let me see. Move that up a little. No, do it like a. Put that there. So I don't want you, and I'm still in select. I put my finger on option and I copy that, rotate it a little. Oh, I don't want to select this, I want to select this. Rotate that a little bit like, oh, come on, there we go. Take that like there. And notice when I hit, when I'm in select and I hit my finger on option, this little symbol appears. That means you're copying it. Okay, now I'm gonna go click on it, I get the little, so I don't know what this is. Maybe we'll do a tiny little. Move that there. Oh, didn't do that. Didn't want to do that. Okay, I wanted to move this. It's hard to move when it's tiny. And maybe we'll make the nose a different color now. I'm going to go to the fill. Now make it a darker nose. Now maybe I'll go here. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Look at that. That's Command Z, make it back to there. Now I want to make a new. Let's go to the star tool and make 2 stars for eyes. Let me change the fill color to there. And let me do the same thing. I want to go to my select this eye, and then I hit my little. Okay, so what I want you to do is just play using these real basic things we just started with. Let me make a new circle up here. That's the inside of the ear. So I'll make it pink. And then I'll go over here, I'll move that to the inside of this You know what? Actually, I think that's too intense. So I'm going to click on fill right here, that color, and I want to adjust it. So let me make it over here. Yeah, that's a little bit better. Return over here. I'll move that over here. Put my thumb on option. I'll move that over there. So just play around. It's almost like color forms. Make some simple shapes, and it's kind of the first little in-class drill we can do. You know, I could even, if we wanted to, I think we learned this already before, go with the artboard and change the shape of the artboard. So I'm hoping your little animal will be better than this guy, but it's just getting you started. And let's save this. So file, save as, and what choices do we have? Do you want to save it as an Adobe Illustrator file? That means you can only open it in Illustrator. PDF is fun. Let's save it as a PDF. And let's title it, I'll just call it Blue. Is that a dog, or I'll say Blue Dog? You know, actually, let's call it Blue Weird Dog, because I think Blue Dog comes up later. And I'm going to save it on my desktop. So make a weird little animal just with shapes, and we'll post that on Padlet.